Hello everybody, my name is Olivia. Welcome to this video about the Quietum Plus supplement. Today I'm here to share with you everything you need to know about this supplement, including what it is, how it works, and if it's truly effective. If you're looking for more information, make sure to stay tuned until the very end of this video. I also have an important alert to share with you, but first, if you feel like you need more information after watching, I found the official link for the product and left it in the description box below. You can check it out at any time. Now, let's dive into it. Quietum Plus is a supplement designed to help people dealing with tinnitus. So if you suffer from hearing loss, or you hear that constant buzzing sound in your ears, Quietum Plus might be a natural alternative for you. It is made with 100% natural ingredients, no chemicals, only organic plant and herb extracts, along with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. This means it targets the root cause of the problem in a healthy way. Now, does Quietum Plus really work? Absolutely. It's been helping thousands of people worldwide. It works by helping to clean and soothe your ears, providing you with a sense of quiet and peace. You'll finally be able to hear silence again, something that many people haven't experienced in a long time. One of the best things about Quietum Plus is the 60-day money-back guarantee. You can try it out for 2 months. And if you don't see the results you expect, you can request a full refund. That's right, 100% of your money back, no questions asked. So there's no risk in trying it. Here's the important alert. The only place to buy the original Quietum Plus is through its official website. You can't buy it in drugstores or other websites. So please make sure to purchase it only from the official site. I've left the link for you in the description below, and that's the only trusted place to get the authentic product. Watch out for counterfeit products. Only the original Quietum Plus will provide you with the full benefits. If you want to treat hearing loss, reduce buzzing in your ears, and get back to hearing clearly again, Quietum Plus is here to help. Just remember, always buy from the official website. Thanks for watching, and see you around.